Welcome to Research Rocks, Python web series tutorial number 3, Indentation. In this episode, I will tell you what is indentation and how to deal with indentation statements in your logic. So let's start. First of all, open your Sublime editor. Firstly, I save the file, Control Command S, and then give the name indentation.py. And this is a code. I already told you the save location exactly in Python scripting automatically store. So we are define here define function test opening curly bracket closing and then enter. Here I type statement statement. Suppose statement 1 automatically comes here as statement 2 statement 3 and here enter. So again here type define test and again indentation enter. So this is also correct, but this starting positions are here, not here. Here position starting is statement or a different kind of logic. So we are start here and then enter. So automatically the S comes here, not going here. So this is advantage of Sublime editor. You can check here automatically 4 space are automatically comes here, just like a D, E, F and here space, and our logic and coding starting here. Just again type statement 4, again type statement 5, again type statement 6. So this is indentation actually. So this is advantage of Sublime editor. You deal with any kind of defined function or defined variable. Next line automatically comes here, automatically four space are here. Otherwise this sentence, just like for example here, and you run the code, so you are facing automatically errors because of this line. Not line number second is not okay. This is indentation. Inform you in this episode what is indentation and how to call indentation. Just simply I define here defined function, opening closing and semicolon, and statement 1. Even statement 1 means you can add here your logic very simplest way and call. You just suppose for example comes here, you facing a error problem, but automatically comes in you use in Sublime editor, so not too much facing indentation error and indentation problem. So in this episode I am giving you information what is exactly indentation. So this is indentation. Define your function and rest of statement accordingly logic and accordingly programming structure. It's called indentation. So you can use and you can apply such kind of logic in your programming skill. So next episode I will give you information about how to clear screen in your editor. So stay tuned. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.